Hello everyone, today we will try to repair this Hitachi CP-X417. It's a projector that used to work and stopped working suddenly. So we'll take it apart and see what's the problem. I think it's something with the power supply because it's totally dead. LEDs do not turn on and nothing works. First, let's have a quick look. This is the lens, and here is the zoom and the focus. This is the infrared receiver, a vent here, speaker built in. At the back we have two VGA input, one monitor out, HDMI, and composite and component as video as well. Here we have SD card and battery. This is the SD card, which is SD link. And a button cell battery, USB storage, 5V, and LAN as well. This is the fan, and this is the main switch and the socket for the power. The lamp is here, and here we have more information about the device itself. So let's take it apart and have a look inside. Alright, so this is the power supply. It's all shielded, we cannot see anything. That's the lamp here. These are the buttons and the LEDs. The speaker been damaged. It was just a single speaker. There's a fan here and another fan at the back. I tried to remove the shielding, but it's a little bit tricky, so I was moving it around. Now I am testing it, and it turns on. The LED is on. That's the power indicator, and this is the lamp warnings, and it's red. First I thought maybe the lamp is dead, but that's because the cover is removed. So if we press this switch here, the LED lamp will go off and it turns on. So now it's fixed. I didn't do anything, but now it's working. So yeah, I don't know, I guess maybe there was a loose connection or something, so we will put it back together and test it properly. This is the lamp. It has a vent here. Air goes inside the lamp and exit from this side to keep the lamp cool. I don't think I've seen this in different models, in different brands. That's the lens mechanism, the zoom, and the focus. Here is a battery here, and this is the SD link. here it is working. Turn it on. Of course it's too bright here, so you can see the picture, but if you can look here, it's too close, so it's blurry, but it's working. Yeah, now it's better. So yeah, that's the picture. It's too bright. Has a nice picture, sharp. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.